This is an emergency to everybody who loves Mr. Halldór Laxness. I was taken away from my mother when I was a very young kid and put in a home with a hardened criminal, and my father has been taken hostage and is still alive. Uh, there are people walking around saying to be our family. Most of them are actors, and some of them lives in hiding because they have set up a man that they want to call his shadow Arthur, but he is nothing. He just worked in a fishing factory and is not related to him or me on any way. So I managed to get away. I was in prison because they wanted me to be a hardened criminal. They wanted to destroy me and my father. I don't know who my mother is. I don't. I have no recall of ever seeing her. I am, like I said in the other message, I've been hypnotized for 16 years with some kind of tape in my head that is making me do lots of strange things, and they use advertise on the television and newspaper to control my actions. I'm locked down in a basement that I have chosen to be my safe house so I can get out of this mess. I ask everyone who love my father to help me to get out of this situation and help me find my mother.